Okay, we're going to take a short break from wrenching on the Ford. See what Ashley has been up to. We had a little look at this the other day, but of course we lost all the audio. So I'll check that my microphone is plugged in. What's going on? Look, it's mini car night here.
You think I go a little more? I love the giant donut that doesn't.
I'm already rubbing. Look, I think I fixed that though.
Yeah.
And I don't think you want to go any narrower with the tire, at least.
A Roadster diff is 2 inches narrower.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and it bolts right in.
Bolts right in.
The spacing on
and it gives you a little more tire. Yeah.
You can put more tire
really?
if we wanted. Look at this place, eh?
Sorry, we lost all the audio last time.
Oh, did we? Yeah.
What model is this?
Is the mic plugged in?
So
yeah, it is. 1967.
1967 PL 411. Yeah. It's the 510's older brother, really, right?
Yeah, yeah. This is another case of going shopping for the parts car and it's better than the one you're building.
That's exactly what happened.
So like you could have bought a Triumph Dolomite,
right?
But instead you got this.
Yeah. Right.
I like the little body line on the side. It's cool.
Yeah.
That's
but
like
this reminds me of Dolomite.
Yeah, the way this sweeps over the back. Yeah, it's quite a good looking car.
Alpha.
I said Alpha right away. Yeah. It does look like a Pininfarina Alpha. Get the BMC guy over here.
Typical story.
Get the BMC guy. Is that like BMC looking?
No, this isn't. It doesn't look like the A series does.
What's the B series though? That's like the bigger one, right? The 1200, 13, 14.
Yeah, so this is $12.99.
Yeah, maybe it's that then.
Yeah.
$12.99.
Yeah, it's not an A series, I don't think. It's the next bigger size.
Yeah, because the A series are $12.75s.
Where did you get a Nissan genuine oil filter for this thing?
That's nice.
Oh,
I have some of those.
You're a madman.
I actually had a hard time putting it on this.
I was gonna say, man. That's a sweet. Then you're like, what are you gonna do with
13 of them. What am I gonna die with these things? Right? I need an oil filter.
And this ironic Honda battery.
But it got there, you know. I've never bought, you know, I haven't bought a used battery in my life except for that one.
Is it hard to start?
Well, it shouldn't be, but.
What do we got going on? We got single circuit brakes here. Nice work.
There you go.
Do it again.
Yeah, do it one more.
That is cool.
Yeah, it runs good, right?
Yeah, I think.
There's a little fender flapping in the wind.
Oh, is that what that is? Yeah. Kind of sounds kind of British.
It does. It passed. Needed a ball joint. Gary helped me out there, and
Hey, quiet.
Look
at this.
That midget I just got.
Oh,
well, it had to pass the outer province, right?
Everything
Does
had
that
to work.
thing have a leash on it? Like if you undo it?
What's that?
Does it have like extra long lead on it?
No, it's just there.
Oh no, it does.
Yeah,
but it's all seized up.
Oh, I see. Because you have a spare one of those, I'll take it.
Yeah, I think I do actually.
How much do you want?
$500.
You sold me.
What's that? You want that piece?
I'll
give it to you. I'll give it to you.
I'll pay you.
No, dude, I owe you for that spoiler yet.
Oh yeah,
Remember
you do.
that thing?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, no, it's a good little car.
This.
And you know what? It
nice
drives.
car.
It drives good.
Nice
It drives fine. Transmission work.
Fade it.
That grill is beautiful.
Yeah, and the blue car had a good grill too.
And the gold badges are nice.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
Yeah.
It'll look better when it's.
Oh, and I like the wipers both parking
Yeah.
central.
That's cool.
Toshiba
Oh,
bulbs.
it's
Yeah.
a cool little car.
And these all C's, right? Like C solid.
Oh yeah. Same
right?
as minis.
It's not underpowered.
No.
The
1300s
are pretty good.
Oh, 67 though. So after
67.
after 100,000 miles, it's probably got
49, right?
40. Yeah. Is that what it's got?
49, yeah.
Well, that's much power. Probably up to 100 kilometers an hour. It's more than that.
Yeah, no, it scoots along fine. Well,
More than
not-
67.
I was gonna say. No, it's a fun car.
So what are the plans?
I don't know, right? We have to
We don't know.
It might be the winter. The winter time. Take it apart. Color change.
All right. Just got an
Engine.
interior.
Bump the key.
Engine. I'll do an engine maybe this summer yet. We'll see.
Yeah.
2 liter.
This is awesome.
Did you just pull that off?
It's a magnet.
Oh.
It's like a whiteboard. Next lubrication, you're supposed to put the mileage in. Next
Oh,
oil
yeah,
change,
yeah,
put the
yeah.
mileage.
Oh, that's
And then wipe it clean and put new ones
awesome.
on. And it's got a
I didn't know it was a
thermometer.
magnet.
And it's a magnet. Because it was crooked and I just like touched it and it moved.
I had no idea.
You never
I've never moved it.
Tells you when
Wow,
to change
right?
the oil and stuff. Look at that. Now you
I
can
like
put
the
it where you
symmetrical
want it.
dash. So you can take the glove
Yeah,
box and
right.
swap it with the instruments. Yeah.
There, perfect driver thing.
There you go.
Boom.
Keep an eye on shit.
Yeah. See, this reminds me almost of a Volkswagen.
Yeah, yeah.
Actually, this is the one you
Painted steel.
We'll blow it apart.
We got new fenders for it.
But it's
different
all
bumper.
really quite good. I mean,
Reverse
you know.
lights.
I
don't know, what are those for?
What are these for?
Oh, I
that's
put it.
right,
I
the
had to build that bumper to pass the out of province.
Oh,
So it's a front with the rear
I
side.
see. Oh yeah, you can see it should come to here. Yeah.
Ah, sneaky.
Surprised you passed.
What do you mean?
Wow, look, I could hit my leg on that.
Oh, that's
It's
what
very
you mean.
safe.
Oh, that's what you
You want that rolling around on the streets?
That's right. Crazy death trap.
Whatever. Just an old
love it.
shitty Datsun. I like it. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
It's fun to drive.
There's just none of them out there.
That's right.
I've
Yeah,
never
that's
seen one.
Okay, I'm gonna take the 411 for a rip here because I've been waiting for a while.
It's already got gold badge.
Oh, sweet. As we saw, it's not too hard to get her going. Down.
Yeah.
Oh, the clutch is cute. Jeez, that was way too much starter.
Where the starter out here?
Okay. Fender.
The fender's flapping a bit.
Yeah, it's funny. It never did that before it ran.
Oh, it's nice.
It's not bad, actually. No, everything works. Well, I'd like to
I
know.
think what I had that was like this. Nothing really.
Well, the car would be the closest. No.
Yeah, but it's nothing like this to drive. Like the seating position. I had a Datsun, but it was a F10,
Right.
which is the front drive, which
Right,
drives nothing
right.
like this. It's not a rack though.
No. Yeah. It's got the idler arm and the pitman arm and all that shit, right?
It does kind of feel like a British car, you know?
Does it?
Yeah, like Al said, like a little Triumph or something. It's got the same kind of, you know, that's what they copied, right?
Sure.
I mean, it doesn't feel like a Buick. It feels like a British car.
But it's not rattly and
No, it's
shitty and
fun.
squeaky, and it's. I mean, considering, right?
Yeah, no, it's super fun. I like the sharp clutch is fun. It's just all there.
It is, right?
You only
Like
gotta push it
immediate,
about
that's
that
right,
far, yeah.
That's right.
Well, these must have sold reasonable. Of course, Japanese cars were a real taboo. You know,
Well, that's
like
it,
nobody like if this
And think of '67.
and small cars, yeah. Like nobody
wanted this
everybody wanted gigantic cars because gas was free. So I like the driving position. You're immediately comfortable. There's no getting used to it.
shit. Right.
You're just instantly like, oh, this is my car. Feel good right away. I like the wheel.
Yeah, I do too.
It's super skinny, eh? It's like a half-inch piece of plastic. Super skinny. It's nice and shiny. It's got a good feel to it.
The car drives fine.
It does, yeah.
As
Yeah, it
I've only
doesn't-
driven it out here twice.
It's not out of breath. Like even lugging it around and forth, it doesn't care.
That's
It's
fine.
got lots of torque, you know, for what it is.
It's a car that puts a smile on your face when you drive it.
Absolutely, yeah. And that's really what is more important than that.
Nothing. Yeah.
Nothing.
I agree. Yeah, I agree.
It doesn't matter how it puts a smile on your face, as long as it does.
That's right.
Your wife's BMW is way faster. Does everything better, but does it make you smile more? No,
it really,
it makes you
really
smile
doesn't.
less.
When I step on the gas, I smile a little bit.
little bit.
But that's
The rest of the time,
the rest of the time
"Eh."
you're like, eh.
Oh, I love the clutch.
Do you?
Oh, it's great.
Yeah.
It's so fun.
It's there, right?
It's right
It's like
there, yeah.
And
And
you
it
can,
doesn't beg you to cane it. Like,
no,
you
but
can
but
feel-
it makes no difference. Like flooring makes no difference. Like,
oh yeah, I'm used to that.
you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
it's not like you floor and you're like,
But-
oh.
But it's not like built to operate between 4,000 and 5,000. Like,
Correct.
It's just as happy if you change up at 2,100. It doesn't care. It's like I'm just a little engine doing my best here. I'm not. It's not tuned for anything other than being your little buddy that moves the car around.
Now, doubling the horsepower will make it more fun.
Oh yeah,
right?
for
Like,
sure.
that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't
Sure.
think 125 horsepower
No.
is asking too much of
No, that's
a little chassis like that.
no way.
I think.
Yeah,
I
like-
think it'll be fun.
Put as much as you can in without having to change everything.
That's right. Yeah, that's right. And the only reason I'm doing it is because I have them.
You got all the
I have
bits,
all the-
right? So
all the
what is
parts.
the plan to put the?
So you take a Roadster 1600 block,
Yeah. Which
and then
have.
which I have, and you put a Roadster 2-liter crank
Okay.
in the 1600 block,
Yeah.
and you have a 2-liter pushrod style, right,
Yeah.
engine.
Yeah.
So you port the head a little bit, you put a camshaft in it, you put dual carburetors on
Yeah.
it,
Yeah.
which this would have had in the Triple S version,
Yeah.
that 1600 motor.
Yeah.
So I'm
Okay.
just putting in what would have been in there,
Yeah.
except
Except it's 2
it's 2-liter instead of 1600.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Well, it's just
99% of those 1600 versions of these were
Yeah.
automatics on. They didn't put them manual.
Oh,
yeah,
really?
yeah. Apparently this 4-speed won't live,
Oh
but
yeah.
I disagree.
Everything.
Yeah.
It won't live if you beat on it.
Right.
But nothing does. So did you do a 0 to 60 run on it yet?
No,
Yeah, let's go.
feel free.
1,000, 2 1,000.
Oh, you gotta
I
cane
can't.
it. Let's
No,
go.
I don't
Let's
cane.
do it. More.
Can't do it.
I know you can't. I love it.
But it's good.
It's fine.
It really,
like
like-
go 65 mile an hour. It'll be
Yeah.
totally fine. There's 60
Yeah.
mile an hour.
60 mile an hour and just,
It's not really a problem.
no, it doesn't care at all. Yeah, I don't know. Every time I drive this stuff, I just think, try and find a reason why new cars are better, and they're just not.
They're not. No. They may have better heat. They may have better
Well, yeah.
technology. They may have better brakes, but
Yeah.
they're not more fun.
They're not more fun. And the thing is, the more that they have all that stuff, but the more isolated you get from the actual, like it's supposed to be a miracle. How many generations of people live their whole lives at 3 miles an hour, and then we get to go 100,
Right.
and people are blasé about it. Like and then they do everything they can to isolate themselves from the experience.
Right.
And it just seems completely outrageous to me. Like, that's why I like the T so much, because it makes 30 miles an hour feel like the miracle that it really is.
Well, and this is the sort of the same. You
But
know,
if
you're
you-
engaged.
you
It's
also-
not unsafe.
yeah, you're engaged.
You're engaged.
You're engaged.
Yeah.
My lawnmower not very engaged.
Oh. Look at that patch.
Look at how far it got this time. Jesus. One of these days I'm going to finish the whole lawn before it craps out. Calling Carter Auto Restyling. Come in, Carter Auto Restyling. You're not busy, are you, buddy? Come on. Do Ashley a solid here. But wait, you even got new fenders. You don't even have to fix that. Just make all this and fix that, and, you know, call us when you're done. Beer time.
It's up to you, man. It's up to you. We're here. We're here for you.
That's right. Look at that. I know you want to make that dog leg, buddy.
Working on
Look at that.
these metals so easy compared to
Right?
this.
You can make
this
it out
garbage.
of 27 gauge or whatever. regular
Same
contributor.
old shit.